Hey, we're all flying the same power system.
That's true.
And you're the fastest.
Probably are the fastest. Oh, you sound so butter. I see you have the afterburner in there.
Yeah, that's the one I made those changes on.
Oh wait, it's not the F-18?
What?
It's not. You didn't do it on the F-18?
No, I brought.
Changes? Oh, okay.
Oh, I did it to that too, but it looks better than this.
Yeah, I shipped one to someone in New York.
Oh, really?
Let's see how they like it. Yeah.
Who was it?
Some guy.
From RC groups or where?
No, not RC groups. They found me on Ricky's post. In the
Oh, okay, yeah, that guy.
Cool. All right.
Ready?
Let's go.
All right, I'm going. I'm already back down on the deck. Jesus, Nate.
Yeah.
That thing is insane. They're all powered the same, and his is like 20 miles an hour faster.
How is that possible?
I don't know.
Alright, let's do under another pass.
Go. I think it might be because of the exhaust.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
We always know how to adjust for each other. Okay, let's do a couple formation passes. Then where are you? So we'll join up behind you. The wind is really weird. Well, this thing never bumps around in the wind.
You know what I did like about that F-16?
What?
When you roll it, it looks real.
Yeah.
It looks like the real thing.
I agree.
Is that made in the
That's me trying to catch up.
I'm gonna be furthest out.
Okay, I'll stay close to us. Nate, you stay in the center.
Alright.
Right here.
Nice.
That yak makes so much better use of the power.
How is it? Like I'm full throttle and he's
Me too, and he's passing.
Going in reverse.
I know. I don't get it. Something about that airframe. Look at it. You can hear it, just in the Doppler.
Look!
I know.
Full.
I know.
It's like pulling
He's
away.
walking away.
That's ridiculous. I don't understand.
Time remaining 1.
He's got way more climb too. Whoa, that looked cool, Frank. I'm here with you.
I'm flying a 3300 pack. I'm not coming to you.
Okay. You can come in before us.
Oh wow, 21. Okay.
Already?
Landed. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna land too. I'll come in with you, fine?
Alright.
I'm still good.
10, 9,
Yeah, you're flying that man. Ding ding pad.
No, it's just a 4000.
5, 4,
But I'm not flying full throttle all the time.
1.
Alright.
Time expired. Over.
Yeah, I was talking to Eric. He said my AS3X receiver probably screwed up. I had problems with it from the get-go. I couldn't night bed to save my life or anything.
That was cool. You gonna fly your 16 again?
The batteries are ready.
Your high rates is 100%? Yeah. Okay.
Thing is a slow turning radius.
I know, I don't like it, but there's no way to adjust it. They have it set up so that if you mess with it, it'll screw up the AS3X.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's how many get the
But the S3X is falling.
Yeah, it's not good in a crosswind because it was jiggling all over.
Oh.
Throttle cut.
That's my opening screen.
Oh, that thing looks rock solid.